Hello everyone. In this video we are going to turn our phone into a hologram projector. You'll be surprised how easy it is. First we have to make a stencil. For that we're going to use graph paper. Draw the shape like this. Top is 2 cm, bottom is 6 cm, and the middle is 4 cm. Then we'll cut it out and use it as a guide to cut the plastic. I'm using acrylic sheet. You can use CD cases or plastic paper for this build as well. Cutting the plastic is the most difficult part for this build. Use cutter and go through the line at least 10 times by the help of a ruler. And apply some muscle force to break the plastic. Again, if you use plastic paper, you just need to cut the paper by scissors. That's it. Okay, after you cut 4 of them, you can see mine has protective film on it to prevent from scratches. After peeling them off, we can go ahead and join them by a transparent tape. And that's it, done. Open a holographic video on YouTube and place our work in the middle of the phone. Doesn't it look nice? Hope you guys found this video interesting. If you do, please share this video to everyone who might like this. It will be greatly appreciated if you share. And click that like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Let me know what you think about this project and tell us what video should we make next. Till then, stay safe and I will see you in the next one.